and you can see. So this is a full body, right? This is a full body. All this is happening because there is no light, there is low light. That's why you are having this particular stuff. So let me step outside a little bit so I can show you something. So you see, hey, what's up? This is the rock. You can see how I'm moving my body, right? So you see now I'm moving my body. So like this, you can talk to anybody with this fake video call. So you see the way I'm moving my face. So one thing you need to understand as well now is when doing something like that, at least cut your beards, because you know the rock don't have beards, so you look a little bit like the rock. So I'll be going on stage for WrestleMania tonight. So guys, let's go. Look at my teeth. So you see how it works, right? So you see how it works. So you can actually use this for fake video call. See, you can step back a little bit, right? So you see, you can step back, you can do whatever you want to do. This is the rock, and you can actually choose a female picture from it. So make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to show you everything you need to know to set up a fake video call for educational purpose on Android and on iPhone, right? So for now, let me show you. It's almost the same method, right? So if you are making use of Android phone, go to your Play Store, and if you're making use of iPhone, then you go to your Apple Store. So for me now, let me go to my Apple Store and download, search for this application. You see the Amigo AI. Click on it, then download this one. Make sure the logos are the same, right? Make sure the logo are the same. So the next thing I'm going to do after you're done downloading, all right, after you're done downloading, you can check under the description, the link is there. Then click on open. All right, so you're going to click on open. So once you click on open, what I'm going to show you now is you can see where it says face. Click on the face. So you need a very good network for this. If not, it's not going to work. So your network should be about 5G or so. All right, so you see it's almost the same kind of method with other laptop video calling tools, right? So you can click on here if you want to capture, but if you don't want that, you can do it this way. So you click on it to select your face. For example, if you want to add your own face, you click on the add button. So for now, because I'm on free version, that's why they say you can upload up to three faces, unlock to unlock unlimited faces collection. All right, so you just click on it. So you go back. So for me, I have about 3 here. You can see the rock, this other girl, and the rock again. So I think I did a mistake. That was why I upload that. So if I want to make use of the rock now, just click on the rock, and you can see. So this is a full body, right? This is a full body. All this is happening because there is no light, there is low light. That's why you are having this particular stuff. So let me step outside a little bit so I can show you something. So you see, hey, what's up? This is the rock. You can see how I'm moving my body, right? So you see now I'm moving my body. So like this, you can talk to anybody with this fake video call. So you see the way I'm moving my face. So one thing you need to understand as well now is when doing something like that, at least cut your beards, because you know the rock don't have beards, so you look a little bit like the rock. So I'll be going on stage for WrestleMania tonight. So guys, let's go. Look at my teeth. So you see how it works, right? So you see how it works. So you can actually use this for fake video call. See, you can step back a little bit, right? So you see, you can step back, you can do whatever you want to do. This is the rock, and you can actually choose a female picture from it, right? So for example, if I want to choose a female picture, I'll still click on that, then I'll click on the female, and this is the female. Do you see? So what you need to do is work on your beards, try to take off your beards, or if you don't know how to take your beards off, all you just have to do is put on a hoodie and look for a way to just cover your face, but make sure you have a very good light. All right, so make sure you have a very good light. So the next thing I'm going to do now is how we can make use of the this particular application for the fake video call, right? So I'm going to take you to my computer now. Then on my computer we are going to do the setup, then we can start calling. So let's try another face and see. So let's use this old man voice. So you can see the way I'm smiling, right? Hey, what's up, how you doing? So you see, so like I said, make sure you have a woody, you have a good light, so you can use to do anything you want to do. So without wasting much of your time, it's almost the same process on Android, right? On the Android application and on the iPhone, you get. All right, so now let's go to our Android phone and search for the one. So that's the name of the app that we are going to use to do the fake video call straight from our phone through our system, and this really works. So make sure you download it. So I have it on my phone already because I have to make sure the tutorial work. So let's go on my computer. So I'll go to your browser. So I use Google Chrome. So once you get to your Google Chrome, search for Duang. So with the name, you should know that this is a Chinese app. So click on it, you see, then look for the version of your system. You can see we have other stuff there, so just click on the window. All right, so once you have it installed, make sure you download it, right? Make sure you install it. So you can see there, look at the recently add. So you can see the one. All right, so if you have it like that, then click on it. Make sure you click on it. All right, so you can see what they're saying here. So I just click on it. So I'll go to my Android now, pick up my phone now. So I'm going to open it on my phone as well. So make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi. For me, I'm using this phone Wi-Fi on the computer, so it can be easy. All right, so we are going to mirror the screen. So we are going to mirror the screen right now. So I will open the application. Make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi. All right, make sure you are connected. So I'm going to open the app here. So I want you to see something. I will stop mirroring. All right, so look at the top of the phone. So you see where there's a wireless. All right, so click on the wireless, then refresh. It's going to come up like this. So this is your computer. Then click on it, then click on start now. All right, so it's actually working now. So connected now. So anything that you do on your system, on your phone, it's going to appear. So you see, this is me controlling my phone and it's working perfectly on the computer as well. So this is another method again that you can use to mirror your phone at any time. All right, so now we are going to make use of the application. Look at this place. Make sure you click on it and put it on the one, right? So now I'm going to my phone. Now you can see I'm operating my phone. So I will search for the Amingo AI. Then I'm going to click on the application now. So you see, so you can register, right? Make sure you register, and if you are being opportune, you can decide to get the pay one, so you can have unlimited way of using it. So click on next. All right, click on allow. All right, click on allow. Just click on, look, everything is still showing here the same way. So if you notice that this thing didn't work and it stopped, I will still show you where to click. All right, so you see we are on the same page right now. So that stuff you're seeing there, well, don't worry, during the video call I will show you how you can remove it and attach it very well, so nobody will detect that you are using that. But this video is for educational purpose, so this is it. You remember when I showed you earlier that just click on the face, so you see connecting to server. So it's a very strong AI tools anyway. So look at it in a bit, magic, it's neat, blah blah blah. So now click on the face again to add any face that you want to make use of. Like as for me, I have other other faces there, right? So I have other faces there now. So you see, this is another face, this is another face. You can use another face to do whatever you want to do. So you see, here's another face now. So just click on the face to add the image that you want to make use of. All right, so let me take you to where you can connect it ASAP. So since we have this both stuff connected now, so for us to be able to make a fake video call, we are going to make use of the OBS Studio as usual, right? So let's go there. So for we to be able to make the fake video call, so go to your window and search for OBS Studio, then open it like this. All right, so okay, so I think let me delete this so we can start again. I believe everyone here know how to do it, right? So now let's create another scene for it. So you see, click on the video and click on OK. Then we are going to select the one. All right, then once you click on the one, if the stuff didn't like work, the one didn't work, you can see this is it. So you can see you see it reflects here. So whatever things you still do on your phone still happen. You click on OK. So for us to be able to crop it now, you know, as usual, so we are going to do the dragging of a thing to fit the screen. Then so we can take off that the right up at the top there. You see the right up at the top there. So that's what we are going to take off. All right, so I'm going to drag this to the middle, then drag it up. All right, so if it stop working, you click on what I just clicked now. So it's drag up, so drag it, then adjust it down. So the camera bottom and the right up at the top won't be showing. All right, so now if I put my face there, you see what we have. So anytime you call now, this is what they will be seeing. So you see, anytime I call now, this is what they'll be seeing. So any notification that will come up there that you know that it's going to affect your calling, make sure you drag it out of the view in OBS Studio, right? So we are done with this. So this stuff showing here, this message pumping out, is because we are on the free one. So if you know you want to use this particular one, you can decide to buy the paid one or the premium one, then you can use it very, very well. So for us to start the visual camera now, so the next thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to download the NDI tools. So I'm going to download the NDI 6 tools. All right, so I will click on it. All right, make sure you click on it, then download the one that's suitable for you. So as for me, I have it installed, so I just click on it. So once you have it and you open it, this is how it's going to start showing. So you are going to double click on where it says webcam, double click, then it's going to open up. Then you are going to see this icon below this side. All right, so once you see it, then you go back to your OBS Studio. All right, then you are going to click on all this stuff that is showing. Like I said, is because it's a free version, that's why you're seeing it. So I will click on tools, so it's going to show up. So once you click on tools, it takes you to this place. Then you select the NDI 6 tools. Then after, then you start the visual camera. Then you come here, you select OBS Studio, you open it more, click on that icon or the arrow there. It's going to open. Look at it. You can close it if it is not working. It's still working anyway. It's still working. So if it stopped working, click on the one tools at the top. There is an arrow that looks like a camera arrow. So upload the OBS in all this section, the 1 2 3 4, upload them. All right, make sure you upload it. Make sure you upload it in all. Upload it. So you see, it's still working perfectly. It's still working perfectly. So the people who has been, those of you that have been using the fake video call in one way or the other, you should know how to use OBS. So now you start the call on WhatsApp. So once you start the call on WhatsApp, so just look for any of the webcam there. All right, So you see it's still working, it's still working perfectly. So you can see they are still working. So it says no visual camera, so they click on that icon there, then you click on that icon, then go to the one. All right, so once you click on it, you come back here, you go back to, you see it's working again, your phone is being mirror again. So you come back here, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube account. Making this tutorial is not easy. Please subscribe, like this video, and comment. If you're having any challenge, drop it on the comment section. We'll help each other to sort it out. All right, so choose the camera, any of the web, you choose it already. So this is how to make the fake video call. So if you call anyone now and the person will start seeing you, just place your head on the Amingo app and it's going to change. So this is for Android phone. So now we are going to try for the iPhone. So the only difference there is, let me show you, so easy peasy. So the only difference is the tools that will be the middleman between your phone, the mirroring. So now you are just going to download Lonely Screen on your computer. As for me, I have it already, so I have it installed already. So look at it, Lonely Screen. Then you download that too on your iPhone, and you can still use the same method to do it. Look at the Lonely Screen here, just open it. Once you open it, it's going to pump up like this. Very easy. So you still do the same process on the iPhone, then select it on the OBS Studio and you can make call with it. So you see they'll ask you to subscribe, but say later, just tell them maybe later. So this is it, you see how it is. So it's very easy to use. All right, so it's very easy to use. So make sure you have it on your iPhone device as well. So just go to the Apple Store and search for it. All right, so you see it's working. So if I operate my phone now, if I make use of my phone, you see it's working so perfectly. It's working so perfectly. Yeah. So if you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe, like this video, share this video to anyone. All the tools here are free tools that you can download online. All right, and this video is for educational purpose, right? It's for educational purpose. Maybe you want to prank family member, or you just want to have fun with it. Don't use it for illegal activities. All right, don't use it for illegal activities. YouTube is against this act. All right, make sure you use it responsibly. This video is for educational purpose alone. So you see, so you can cast it here. You come here again, you add, you go to the video, then you create another scene, then you select the lonely camera, you come here, you drag it to fit the screen as usual. You drag it, then you can use it to prank your maybe mom or dad or something, just for educational purpose. All right, just for educational purpose. So you see how it is now. All right, so you see how it is. So make sure you start visual camera and you are good to go. So let's make the call. So now it's ringing on WhatsApp and you can see the face there. So if you move your head is going to move. So thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube account so that anytime I make amazing video like this one, you just watch, you won't miss out. All right,